Hello learners, welcome to the NIOS studio program course code 509 entitled Learning in Social Sciences. I am Dr. Prerna Mandhyan, working as an assistant professor in Department of Education, DS College, Katihar. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of geography, its purpose and reflection on its place at elementary stage. Firstly, we should know what the concept of geography. So, the term geography was first used by the Eratosthenes. Etymologically, the word has been derived from the two roots of Greek language. The first is geo, means earth, and the graphos means description. Put together, they mean the description of earth or the writing about the earth. But nowadays, today the geography is more about the description of earth or the writing about the earth. It is all about, it all reveals all the wonderful activities and visions which are going presently in the world. Regarding the concept of geography, geography addresses three questions: what, where and why. What are the features, phenomena and processes as found on the surface of earth? And when we consider about the where, the distributional and location aspect of the natural and cultural phenomena. But both these questions, word, what and where, does not able to give the significance of science discipline to the geography. But the third question, why, provide causal relationship between features, process and phenomena, which declares geography as the discipline of a science. When we consider about the characteristics of geography, we can categorize it in the three sentences. The first one is, geography as a discipline is related to space and takes note of spatial characteristics and attributes. Peter Mongham has also supported this characteristics of geography by giving this definition: a discipline whose domains are space and place, and anything that operates within them or characterizes aspects of them or flows among them. People, water, belief, digital data can only be a vast and disparate one. Spatial characteristics means consideration about the people's ideas moving from one place to another. Second characteristics of geography, it studies the patterns of distribution, location and concentration of phenomena over space, interprets them and finds out explanation for these patterns. Richard Hartshorne has already explained about this characteristics of geography in his definition, and he talked about geography as, geography is concerned with the description and explanation of the areal differentiation of the earth's surface. While Preston James has also supporting this characteristics of geography, geography deals with the association of phenomena that gives character to particular places and with the likeness and differences among places. While we consider about the geography, it doesn't mean only the variations we are discussing, but we need to know what are the factors why these variations are prevailing in particular region or in particular country. Third characteristics of geography is that it takes note of association and interrelationship between the phenomena resulting from the dynamic interaction between human beings and their physical environment. This is the basic characteristics of geography in nowadays, that it deals with the interaction between human beings and their physical environment. How human beings are affecting the physical environment or how physical environment is affecting the human beings. Essentially, geography was a study of mankind, but today geography can be defined as, geography is a science of man on the earth, studying the action and interaction between man and nature. There is definitely a purpose for the teaching of geography at upper primary level. The first purpose of geography is to provide an individual with a holistic understanding of our planets and its system. As human beings, we are always curious to know about the people, about the land, about the people where they are living. So it is the basic purpose of the geography. Secondly, to better prepare to understand issues impacting our planet Earth. There are many issues which are affecting our Earth, like global warming. So it is the duty or it is the concern of geography to describe all those issues to the students. Thirdly, to comprehend and explain global political issues that occur between countries, cultures, cities and their hinterlands, and between regions and within countries. As geography is a social science subject, is an integral part of the social science, so what are the reasons, what are the political reasons which are affecting the geographical conditions? So it is also the objective of the geography to know and to make them understand to the students. Last purpose of the geography at the upper primary level is help in making every decision of our daily lives, like choosing sites, targeting market sectors, planning, distribution network, responding to emergencies. Place of geography at elementary stage is very important. Geography has connection to all the subjects of social sciences. Moreover, it is more about the physical sciences, but it is concerning to the social sciences also. So there are many importance of geography at upper primary level. The first importance is the practical importance. If a student is familiar with natural conditions of a country, its climate, vegetation, natural resources, mineral wealth, etc., it becomes easier for him to plan his future. Secondly, it has much more importance for the cultural and intellectual development. The knowledge of geography helps us in acquiring the knowledge about cultural and intellectual life of a particular country. Geographical factors also influence the intellectual life of a country. As Fairgrieve has also mentioned in his definition, the real value of geography lies in the fact that it helps man to place himself in the world, to learn his true position and duties. Thus lies the importance of geography in cultural and intellectual development. Geography has economic importance as well. Knowledge of geography helps us to know about various natural resources of a country or a region, and such a knowledge can be used for economic progress. Geography has social importance also, as it concerns to the social sciences. The knowledge of geography helps students in developing a proper social outlook. A proper social outlook develops a feeling of brotherhood for the nationals of other countries and makes a student broad-minded. Beside all these, geography has importance for earning livelihood. The knowledge of geography has given us the knowledge of various sources that are available and which could be profitable tapped to earn our livelihood. Next is the natural curiosity. As a human being, we all have a natural curiosity to know about the people, to know about the natural phenomena, to know about the features of the lands, climate, weather, etc. So the knowledge of geography helps to satisfy the natural curiosity of to know more and more about the lifestyle of people in other lands and countries, and also throws light on the various factors that influences our lifestyle. Geography is an integral part of social science, so it has connection to the other social sciences subjects. So importance in understanding other subjects. The knowledge of geography helps us to understand various other subjects, for example, sociology, economics, anthropology, biology, etc. Various historical events have been influenced by geographical factors. The development of civilization began in India and Egypt just because of a geographical reasons. As we all know, this civilization was cultivated near the Sindhu river. That's why the Sindhu civilization began in India, just because of the geographical reason. Geographical factors also influences the political system in a country. For example, the prevalence of democracy in Switzerland is due to only the geographical factors. The social life and the structure of society in a country is governed to a large extent by various geographical factors prevailing in the country. The knowledge of geography also helps to properly understand the subject matter of geography. Thank you.